You don't need to buy or learn yet another tool to use AI because your favorite marketing tools already have it, and you won't believe what these things can do. So today, you'll learn the best ways to incorporate these features into your daily work routine and see why more and more marketers are using these tools every day. Welcome back to AI Marketing and Creator Tools. Most of us marketers wear a lot of hats and use a lot of tools to do our jobs, including number one on our list. This first marketing tool needs no introduction because it already revolutionized graphic design by making it accessible to anyone and everyone. If you've worked in marketing or made content before, it's probably one of your best friends. Of course, it's Canva. We remember using Canva's first AI features in November 2022, and from our experience, they were one of the first tools to incorporate AI. My favorite feature is Magic Edit, which lets you transform photos with a brush and a few words. For example, if you're running a campaign for a dog groomer, make this dog's fur look really messy. Just brush over the area you want to change and type in how you want it to look, and boom, then you can add your own logo and text. And say you need an image for that same social media campaign of a dog going four-wheeling to show how they got so dirty. Don't ask questions, okay? It's what I'm going with for now. Since that kind of picture doesn't exist in the stock photo library, you can use the AI text-to-image feature to create an entertaining photo that you'd otherwise need to have pro photoshopping skills to make. Looks like Scout really went for a cruise, doesn't it? If you want to add a voiceover for your image, use Canva's Murph AI text-to-speech feature. Just insert a short or long-form script and generate a voiceover with a range of high-quality voices across different languages, emotions, and tonalities. Or you can use Canva's HeyGen AI avatar feature to turn a script into a talking head. Watch out, 5 o'clock news channels. Just kidding, the audio is a little rough and you can definitely tell that it's AI.
We take pride in providing a stress-free, spa-like experience.
And at least for now, it's giving uncanny valley. But by practicing this tool now, you'll be a master by the time Canva cleans up this feature. The last feature I'll mention is Sound Draw, which delivers royalty-free AI music. Step aside, Kevin MacLeod. You can choose the genre, mood, theme, and song length. And the best part, creating an entire track still takes less time than rifling through YouTube and Envato's endless copyright-free music library to find the right 30-second, chill, corporate, ambient ad beat. We actually use Canva to make the graphics for our website, which, not so coincidentally, we also built from scratch using an AI website builder. If you want to check out our experience using it, it's linked to the description, and subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't yet. Alright, so the Canva AI library is impressive and simple to use, but if you remember before Canva, there was another dominant graphic design platform, which was way more complicated to use if you were a newbie: Photoshop. But since Photoshop added their AI feature, Adobe Firefly, it's become available and accessible for more content creators, and it can take professional designers' work to the next level. One of the best ways to use it for marketing is when you need to edit a background on a campaign. Tell Firefly to change the background so it looks like you had a professional photo shoot for your product, or integrate your product into an existing image. You can even make lettering look unique. Say you're a floral arrangement company. Ask Firefly to add roses, daisies, and peonies to the text in your slogan. Similar to Canva's AI feature, Firefly can even be your personal wardrobe stylist, like we're in The Sims. Say you have a photo of someone holding up your product, but you're realizing that they would stand out against the background better if they were wearing a white t-shirt. Circle the area you want to replace and tell the AI to change the outfit, and boom! This is a great hack for crafting the perfect YouTube thumbnail. We'll link some of our favorite Firefly tutorials in the description, and give this video a thumbs up if you think these tools are going to be helpful for your next marketing or ad campaign. Okay, so we've covered the creative content that your audience sees, but what about all the stuff us marketers have to do behind the scenes? As you know, your SEO is crucial for your brand to show up when customers are searching online. And AI is automating the SEO game, making it simple and efficient to write, improve target keywords, and optimize any content. A lot of SEO tools are integrated with ChatGPT, and in our opinion, SEMRush is one of the best. The SEMRush AI SEO writing assistant helps you write search-optimized content faster by providing real-time feedback on your SEO, originality, readability, and tone of voice. For example, you can copy-paste a page from your website into SEMRush, and it'll provide recommendations for keywords and recommendations to rewrite your text to be more search-optimized. It'll even give you a score for readability, searchability, originality, and tone, and can expand or summarize your content. My personal favorite feature is the Compose with AI feature, which cuts down on time spent researching and writing, creates content outlines, and makes the brainstorming process faster. It'll suggest new text that contains keyword targeting, plus you can use the Ask AI feature to make suggestions and offer advice.
Warning, this feature cannot replace your therapist.
If you're not using SEMRush yet, but you happen to pay for ChatGPT Plus, I do recommend several SEO ChatGPT plugins listed in this video. And just like websites and blogs, your YouTube videos and TikToks also need SEO. Up next is a tool that's automated millions of workflows and tasks for busy professionals all in one place. Of course, I'm talking about Zapier. With Zapier's AI features, you don't need coding experience because AI automates the tasks for you. For example, you want to make it so that anytime someone comments on a Google Doc, you get a message in Slack. You can type the command in plain English, and Zapier translates it to code to automatically run the task. And according to Zapier, AI is now integrated into workflows for sales, onboarding, HR, technical support, content, video, PR, social media, engineering, accounting, and revenue operations. Zapier is also integrated with ChatGPT, which simplifies the process of making your very own AI chatbot. This makes it easy to set up bots for specific tasks like answering customer questions or syncing your data with the chatbot. It's also one of our favorite plugins featured in this video, so don't forget to watch that later. This next tool already changed the inbound sales and marketing game for brands and businesses, but now their AI features make it even easier to create content and attract and convert new customers. Hubspot's been around for years, and you might know it as a customer relationship management or CRM tool that helps you manage contacts, leads, and customers from one place. They're known for their integrated suite of sales, marketing, and engagement tools, and AI is making it even better. HubSpot's been at the forefront of incorporating AI in marketing, and they honestly have too many AI tools to cover in this video. Our favorite one is ChatSpot, which is HubSpot's integration with ChatGPT. ChatSpot can perform data-intensive research and gives easy-to-understand summaries, comes up with personalized responses in real time, and even gives you quality prompts to take care of the job at hand. When it comes to your daily writing tasks like crafting emails, coming up with social media posts, or even writing full-length blogs, HubSpot has tools for each task, and they're completely free. If you're already using their customer service features, AI can increase customer satisfaction by writing email and chat messages for you and generating quick summaries of the conversation. Comment below if you want us to make a tutorial for HubSpot AI or any of the other tools I mentioned today, and like this video if you're ready for the final platform. If you write in English, chances are you're using this tool to check your grammar and sentence structure already. Any guesses? If you said Grammarly, you're right. Now with its AI extension, Grammarly Go, you can rest easy that you're grammatically correct and can level up your writing even more. It can generate polished drafts in seconds from basic instructions. Just give the AI some background info like your topic and who you're sending it to, and it'll write the message for you. You can create engaging LinkedIn posts, quick email replies, invitations, and more from the same extension you're already using to correct your grammar and spelling. The number of platforms with AI features will only increase as time goes on, and if you're already paying for a service, you might as well take advantage of all its features to free up your time and energy. We do want to cover more in the future, including Notion, so please comment below with any other tools that you're using or want us to review and demo. We hope our channel helps you navigate and stay up to date on AI and how it's changing the way we work. So remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.